So market opened then, and it seems like it's going to be one of those very somber Mondays, at least to start off with. 25,735 is where we're currently at for the Nifty. Flat for the Nifty Bank as well. I want to see what ICICI Bank, Kotak, HDFC Bank, etc. are up to, because the Nifty Bank as well has had a very, very quiet start. BEL, of course, has been a strong performer. Tata Motors passenger vehicles holding up well. Shriram Finance reacting quite positively to its numbers, 3.5% higher. And shortly we're going to be chatting with the management as well on what the future trajectory is going to be. M&M has, of course, reacted very smartly to their monthly sales data. That stock is holding up solid, almost 3% now for M&M. Bajaj Auto higher by 0.5%. Let's see what Maruti is up to after that very strong management commentary. There's also TVS Motors, and then of course Eicher after the Royal Enfield sales data. DOB, BPCL, Godrej Consumer, Patanjali Foods, Ashok Leyland. All of these are either the sales or the earnings reactions that we are looking out for today. Of course, Unilever, they've got this tax demand as well from the IT department. Hyundai, the October sales were somewhat lower than estimates. JK Cement, the numbers were a miss. For NMDC, the total iron ore production is up 5%, but sales are lower by 3.5% on a year-on-year basis. So these are a couple of stocks which are going to be on our radar. And for Tata Chemicals as well, the numbers have been weak. The profits are down 42%. Margins under pressure. So look out for these names in trade.
Absolutely. The other one to look out for today is going to be RR Cable. A good set of numbers coming in from the company. That stock is up about 7% as we speak. Okay, that's simmer down slightly. 5% uptick coming in on RR Cable as well. Other than that, you have Godrej Consumer, like we were talking about earlier. That stock seems to be doing well. It's Bank of Baroda. That's up about 4% as we speak. Decent set of earnings coming in, and a rating and target price upgrade coming in from Investec. So Bank of Baroda holding up nicely, up 4%. NPC on the back of an order win worth 700 crore rupees. That stock is also holding up quite nicely. Other names include Zen Technologies up 5.5%. Godrej Consumer Products on the back of a very strong second quarter FY26 commentary coming in. Going ahead, they've guided for 7 to 8% volume growth compared to just 3% seen this time. So 5% uptick on Godrej Consumer, and we'll be interacting with the management soon as well. Shriram Finance, good set of numbers coming in, about a 4% uptick over there, as is the case with Navin Fluorine, Dr. Lal Pathlabs, Karur Vyasa, V-Guard. M&M is holding up very smartly, a 3% uptick over there. On the flip side, some pressure coming in on some of these IT names. Zensar Tech is lower by about 5.5%. Network Tech is lower by 5%. Tata Chemicals, 3% cut over there. It's GAIL that's seeing a 2.5% cut, so that stock is also under pressure. Colgate-Palmolive, Patanjali, so the FMCG pack also continues to reel under some pressure. Once again, it's the day of the PSU banks coming in, because at open we are up about 1.5% on Nifty PSU banks. Of course, Bank of Baroda is doing its magic, but you have Canara Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of India, and SBI also holding up pretty decently. Pharma, metals, they do well. Wockhardt is up about 2.5%. Lupin is also holding up nicely. From the metal pack, you have Vedanta, that's up 2.5%. Realty is absolutely on the flat line, but Soba and Lodar are managing to do okay. Some of the other IT stocks under pressure is OFSS, down about 1.5%. Coforge is lower by 1%. FMCG Energy, they continue to lag. So yes, PSU Banks is the flavor of the day, at least at the open today, with select names doing very well. But yes, RR Cable, Inflex Design, these are some of the top gainers from the Nifty 500 pool. But Kunal, your reading on the market open has been a tepid open for us, and now we're below 25,702. Your take on that?
Yeah.